Aloha, it's me, Jeannie the Happy Runner. And December's coming up, and about a year ago, my daughter and I, Rivers and I, we got to go to Honolulu in December for the Honolulu Marathon. It was so much fun. So I wanted to tell you about it today, and I can't wait to go back there again someday because I totally loved it. So we, I had wanted to do that years for many years, and it was really pretty much what I had hoped for. It was cold here in Oregon, super cold. I mean, they were having like a crazy cold spell in the negatives. And my daughter and I flew to Hawaii in December, and it was Christmas time, of course, and 85 degrees, just a little bit of humidity, really nice. So we ran the marathon together, and the marathon there starts at 5 o'clock in the morning because of the heat and humidity. So with that, I would just encourage, if this is a race that you want to do, of course, make sure you hydrate really well. I bugged my daughter like crazy, and she'll probably tell you about that later, that she got tired of me telling her to drink lots of water, because I tell you the truth, during that time while we were running the race, people, there were ambulances going back and forth the whole time picking people up, because I think people were dropping like flies because of getting overheated or dehydrated. So thankfully, my daughter and I, that didn't happen to. I was really happy and relieved that we were safe from that. But beautiful run, wonderful run, but great weather. It did get warm. By 11 o'clock, it was about 85 degrees, I think, and I don't remember what the humidity was, but it was definitely there. You know, some things I noticed along the course of the marathons that I've done, at this point I've done 16, it was one of the more smelly courses that I've run, and you know, I don't know why. Parts of the course smelled pretty stinky, like sewage, and I hate to say that about a race because maybe it was an off year, and I hope that's not always the case. I still want to go back and do it, so I hope I'm not offending anybody over there because it was a beautiful run. And so I don't know why I had that smell. And then another part of the course, they handed out sponges to wet ourselves with, and they had this disinfectant or some kind of cleaning smell to it, and it just really wasn't very pleasant mixed with the other smell that we came across on the course. So besides that, that was the only thing that, you know, I was like, well, that was memorable. But other than that, had a really fun time. I loved it. I will definitely go back and do it again. I will tell other people, hey, go to Hawaii in December and run the Honolulu Marathon. Lots of fun. They take good care of you. When we cross the finish line, the first thing that they do is they put this beautiful shell necklace on. And I just loved it. I thought it was so pretty. I just think it's great. And then, of course, our cool finisher's medal. We got the Hawaii guy there. You can see him. But I like the medal. It's kind of neat. Just it's a neat thing. And then the nice finisher shirt. And it was just really fun to see it. You know, it's about 30,000 people or so running this race in Honolulu when we were there. And be able to see all these people walking along Waikiki Beach wearing their finisher shirt. So I got a kick out of that, and so did my daughter. That she was 12 at the time when she did the race, and the fact that she got one of these shirts and she was one of the 30,000 who got to limp along Waikiki Beach in their finisher shirt after they did it. It was just a fabulous feeling. And I love being in Hawaii when it's like Christmas time and everything's decorated. So great time. Totally recommend it. Definitely do it again. Hope that helps. Bye.